Microsoft just dropped something crazy. You can now build apps without writing any code. I'm talking real working apps in minutes. This is going to change everything, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. Imagine building apps without coding. Sounds wild, right? Well, Microsoft just made it real, and today I'm showing you how their new app builder works. This thing is insane. So Microsoft 365 Copilot now has this thing called Copilot Studio, and it lets you build entire applications just by talking to it. No code, no complicated setup. Just tell it what you want and boom, it builds it for you. Think about that for a second. You have an idea, maybe you need an app to track inventory, or manage projects, or handle customer requests. Before you'd need to hire developers, spend thousands of dollars, wait weeks or months. Now, you just describe what you want and it builds it. This is happening right now, not some future promise. You can do this today if you have Microsoft 365 Premium, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Every business needs custom tools. You know this. You felt the pain. You need something specific for your workflow. But custom software is expensive and slow. Most small businesses just make do with spreadsheets or clunky generic tools that don't fit. That ends now. Copilot Studio changes the game completely. It's a low-code environment built right into Microsoft 365. Low-code means you don't need to be a programmer. You use simple language, point and click, drag and drop. The AI does the hard stuff. Here's what makes it special. You can use natural language prompts. That means you literally just type what you want in plain English, like you're talking to a person. The AI understands. Then it builds the app structure for you, and it connects directly to Microsoft Dataverse. That's their database system, so your app can store information, pull data, update records, all the stuff real apps need to do. It handles what they call CRUD operations. That's create, read, update, delete. The basic building blocks of any data app. Let me show you how this actually works. Let's say you run a small warehouse. You need to track inventory, what comes in, what goes out, current stock levels, simple stuff, but you need it organized. You open Copilot Studio, you describe what you need. Something like, I need an inventory app that tracks products, quantities, and locations. That's it. Just one sentence. Copilot gets to work. It creates database tables in Dataverse, sets up fields for product names, quantities, locations, dates, all the stuff you'd need. Then it builds a Canvas app. That's the visual interface, the screens people interact with. Now, here's where it gets really cool. You see the app it made. Maybe you want to change the layout, move buttons around, add a search bar, change colors. You just drag and drop. No coding required. It's like building with blocks. Within minutes, you have a working app, not a demo, not a prototype, a real functioning application. You can use it on your computer, on your phone, share it with your team, start tracking inventory immediately. But wait, it gets better. And this is where things get wild for business owners. If you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to get more customers and automate your entire workflow. I'll drop the link below. Now back to what makes Copilot Studio so powerful. You can create what they call agents. These are like AI assistants that automate tasks for you. Think about all the repetitive stuff you do every day, answering the same questions, moving data between systems, sending reports. Agents can handle that. And these agents integrate with everything in Microsoft 365, Excel, Word, Teams, Outlook, all of it. So you can build an agent that reads data from Excel, writes a report in Word, and sends it through Teams automatically without you touching anything. The integration is seamless. It's all in one ecosystem. So your apps and agents can talk to each other, share data, trigger actions, build complex workflows without complexity. Let me give you some real examples. Things businesses are actually using this for right now. Automated reporting systems. Instead of manually pulling data and making reports every week, you build an app that does it automatically, grabs the latest numbers, formats everything, sends it to your team. Done. Customer service chatbots. You create an agent that answers common questions, checks order status, schedules appointments, available 24/7, never gets tired, never makes mistakes. Project management dashboards, build custom views of your projects, track deadlines, monitor budgets, see who's working on what, all in one place, updated in real time. These aren't futuristic ideas, people are doing this now. Small teams, big companies, everyone in between. The barrier to entry just disappeared. Think about your industry, education. You could build apps for tracking student progress, managing assignments, scheduling parent meetings, healthcare, patient intake forms, appointment scheduling, medical inventory tracking, retail, customer loyalty programs, sales tracking, supplier management. Whatever your field, there are processes you can improve, tasks you can automate, information you need to organize better. Copilot Studio lets you build exactly what you need. Now you're probably wondering about the cost. Fair question. Copilot Studio comes with Microsoft 365 Premium. That's their top-tier subscription. You get access to all the advanced AI features, not just Copilot Studio, but all the Copilot capabilities across their apps. The pricing varies based on your needs, business versus enterprise, how many users, what features. But for what you get, the value is massive. Think about how much you'd pay a developer to build custom apps. Thousands per app easily. With this, you build unlimited apps, as many as you need. And you can start small, build one app, see how it works, then build another. Gradually automate more of your business. You don't need a huge upfront investment, just your subscription and your time. The accessibility is key here. This isn't just for tech companies. Anyone can do this. If you can describe what you want, you can build it. That levels the playing field completely. Small businesses now have the same tools as big corporations. A two-person team can build custom software like they have a whole IT department. That's never been possible before. So what does this mean for you? Simple. You can finally build the tools you've been wishing existed. Stop making do with generic software that almost fits. Stop paying for features you don't need. Build exactly what works for your business. And you can iterate fast. Try something, see if it works, change it, improve it. No waiting for developers, no change orders, no extra costs. You control everything. This is also huge if you're thinking about starting a business or adding services. You can build custom solutions for clients, offer automation services, create apps specific to their needs, all without hiring a development team. The opportunities here are massive. We're at the beginning of a shift where everyone can be a builder, where ideas become reality fast, where software serves you instead of you serving software. I'm watching this space closely, testing everything, finding what works, what doesn't, the limits, the possibilities, and I'll be sharing everything I learned. So here's what you should do right now. If you have Microsoft 365 Premium, go try Copilot Studio, build something simple, see how it feels. If you don't have it, consider upgrading. Look at what you're paying for custom tools or developers. Compare that to this subscription. Think about the processes in your business that need better tools. Make a list. What would make your life easier? What would save time? What would make you money? Those are your first apps to build. And stay tuned because this technology is evolving fast. Every month there are new features, new capabilities, new ways to use it. I'll keep you updated on all of it. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Link is below. If you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to get more customers and automate your entire workflow. I'll drop the link below. That's it for today. See you in the next one.